Hello. In the 21st century, like me, you are probably experiencing an increased need to both be able to experience the preciousness of each moment, its beauty, and to be able to make a difference with it, to make every moment count. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way that all of us on this planet could have that experience of each moment being both ease and productivity, learning and teaching, giving and receiving, vocation, our work, and a sense of vacation. My name is Jessica, and I'm inviting you to come join with me at an amazing, unprecedented, historic event to learn how to do this, to learn the skills, to learn why we can have this capacity inside of ourselves manifest in every moment of our lives. 5 days where we get to increase the health of our body, heart, mind, and spirit. 5 days where we will have an end of the summer vacation in a beautiful retreat setting. 5 days where we will be with people from all over the world, Europe, India, Africa, North America, Australia, interesting, amazing, innovative people who are wanting to experience this capacity in themselves. 5 days where we get to have amazing personal growth. 5 days where we learn how to be able to pay attention to what really matters in each moment. 5 days when we will learn to understand, practice, and embody the power and potency of each breath, each moment. You know, we have something in common, all people. The very first thing we did in life is to take a breath. And the very last thing that we will do is to take a breath. For thousands of years, various spiritual paths, humanistic lineages have known the power of healthy, conscious breathing for the body, heart, mind, and spirit. In the 21st century, we now have enough research and enough anecdotal evidence to understand that there is a whole panoply, a spectrum of breathing practices, from very simple relaxation techniques to techniques that deal with emotional transformation and even the release of trauma, to techniques that lead a person to be in touch with the deepest parts of their being and the potential that they have within them and unlock it. And I am inviting you to join an unprecedented faculty of 17 people from all over the world, Europe, India, Australia, and America, researchers, scientists, doctors, teachers, breath practitioners from many different schools as we discover how to unlock the deep, powerful medicine of a single breath. You know, breath may be our most vital and most important medicine, and it's completely free, it's completely democratic, and it's something that we can have at a moment's notice. So come be with us at Omega Institute for Holistic Studies in Rhinebeck, New York, from August 24th to 29th. You can go to www.eomega.org to find out about the incredible faculty, the incredible facilities, the incredible food, the incredible company, the incredible curriculum, and the incredible personal health makeover and life experience that you will have when you experience the power of your own breath inside of you to make a difference in your life, the life of those that you love, and the life of the whole planet. Thank you. I look forward to being with you.